my wife too. Hi. Nice to meet you. Heard a lot about you. Some guy in town did a story on 32 years, and I talked to customers, and I had a lady she was crying, she was in town, but we had to find nobody to come and get you, so she finally break down and call her son, and so he got here, it was like 15 after 6 that night. And I stayed with her, and you put that in the story, and I said about feeding the pigeons, and you put that in the story. Yeah, we get that in Joey Cameron. Yeah.
Yeah, you get into a lot of things, don't you?
Oh, yeah, I meet all kinds of
You have a bit of a blind lady,
Yeah, blind lady.
They just see a lot.